Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine, no? At home? Yes? And doing revision for your exams? Preparing it well? Okay? We have started revision. Today we will revise English subject. Understood? Revision of English. Essay 1 revision. Okay children? So you all are ready, no? You are enjoying your subjects at home, preparing for exams? Yes, you all are nice and good and smart also. Yes. So, let us start revision of English. Now see, what we will learn today, what we will revise today. So, learning points. We will revise meanings. Then we will revise give one word. Then we will revise rhyming word. Okay. Then we will revise rearrange the letters. Now see, we all have done this in different lessons. Meanings are in all lessons. Rhyming words are of the poem. Given word are there. And rearrange the letters are also there in the exams. Okay, and there in the textbook also you have done. In Fairbook also you have completed. Okay, so now you all know the answers also. So, are you ready to give me answers? Yes. Now see meanings, we will start. This you have done. Done, no? Grandfather. Grandfather. What is the meaning of grandfather? Grandfather. Father's father. Remember the spelling. F-A-T-H-E-R. Apostrophe S. Father's father. Grandfather. Father's father. Windmill. Windmill. What is windmill? We have seen, no? In the poem. Do you remember? Yes. Windmill. What is windmill? Can you anyone answer? Very good. It is a machine. See the spelling. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Sound. Number 3 is sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. What is sound? In good condition. In good condition. Okay, sound means in good condition. Adore. What is adore? You all know. Very good. Adore means love. L-O-V-E. Love. Okay, children? Grandfather. Father's father. Windmill. A machine. Sound. In good condition. Adore. Love. See, these are of lesson number 1 and poem. These meanings are of lesson 1 and poem. Okay. So we have done now in Fairbook. You have written in Fairbook, completed in Fairbook. So now see. Meanings. These are of lesson number 3. Number 1. Dog. What is dog? It is bird? It is a bird? No. Very good. What is a dog? Can you remember dog? Very good. It is an animal. An animal. Now what is cat? It is a bird? Cat is a bird? No. Cat is also an animal. An animal. Cat is also an animal. Okay. Dog. An animal. Remember the spelling of animal. A animal, animal. Dog, an animal. Cat, an animal. Now this, see, meaning scared, excited. These are of, yes, Swati was scared to go to school. It came in the lesson, scared. What is the meaning of scared? S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. What is scared? Can you answer me? Very good. Scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared is frightened. She is very frightened, scared to go to school. No? So scared means frightened. See the spelling? F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. Scared, frightened. Excited. What is excited? She was scared and she was also excited. Swati was excited also. Why? She was excited. Means very happy. V-E-R-Y, very. H-A-P-P-Y, happy, very happy. Excited, very happy. Excited, very happy. Okay, remember, revise all these meanings. Number 1 is kind and wondrous. Yes, open a book. It is a poem, no? Open a book. In that comes these meanings. What is the meaning of kind? Different kind of people. So kind, type, T-Y-P-E, type. Kind, type. Wondrous. What is wondrous? Wondrous worlds. Do you remember? Wondrous, very good. It is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Wondrous, beautiful. Wondrous, beautiful. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Teased. This is of little ants, no? Big plant. Very good. You all know. What is teased? All the other ants were teasing. No? The little ant. So what is teased? Made fun of. Other ants were making fun, no? So teased, made fun of. Teased, made fun of. Glad, G-L-A-D, glad. Queen was glad. Glad, do you remember? So word glad means what? Very good. Glad, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Glad, happy. Cheer. What is cheer? All were, when the stores were full, no? So the ants cheer. What is cheer? Yes. Give a shout of joy. G-I-V-E. Give a shout of joy. Cheer. Give a shout of joy. Number 4 is extend. What is extend? Yes, little babe and baby sister extends her hands, no? So extend. Stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. Extend. Stretch. Extend. Stretch. Okay, children? So learn these meanings. Okay? Yes, now we will learn. Give one word. Revise. Give one word. See number 1. These are from, yes, lesson number 3. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. What will become here? Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. It is stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Learn the spelling well. Stroke. Number 2. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. We have seen in the lesson. Coat. Very good. C-O-A-T. Coat. The fur or hair on an animal's skin is coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. What kind of sound cat makes? It is revision. So you all have done it. A sound that a cat makes. Purr. Very good. Spelling P-U-R-R-S. Purse. Now you all know this. Number 4. You are ready to give me answer. Very good. Moves from side to side. Moves from side to side. Yes, see, I am moving this. Can you see this arrow moving side to side? Moves from side to side. Means what? Wags. W-A-G-S. Wags. Okay, children, see again. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Stroke. Number 2. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. Coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. Purse. Number 4. Moves from side to side. Wags. Moves from side to side. Wags. Okay, children? Yes. Now see, give one word again. Now see this. Give one word. Do you remember? We'll read. Then you will remember it. Number 1. A place where the ants store food. A place where the ants store food. A place where the ants store food. Where they store food? Underground. Very good. See the spelling. U-N-D-E-R G-R-O-U-N-D. Underground. Underground. A place where the ants store food. Underground. Number 2 is a place where people go to eat. Where people go to eat? Which place? People go to eat. A place where people go to eat. Where people go to eat? Do you remember? Very good. Restaurant. See the spelling? Restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. I will ask you the spelling. Restaurant. restaurant. Okay, children. Now see, give one word again. These are of poem. Levels or floors in a building. Levels or floors in a building. Levels or floors in a building. What is it called? What is it called? Very good. Stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Remember this, huh? S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories. Okay? Number 2 is a passage. P-A-S-S-A-G-E. Passage. To let the smoke out of a house. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. What is that called? Very good. Chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. Chimney. Understood, children? Very good. Now you all have understand. Give one word. How you are to write. Read the question first properly and then give answer. Okay? Understood? Read the sentence first. Read the question first and then give answer. Okay, children? Yes. Now see, rhyming words. Rhyming words. Now you all know what is rhyming words. Yes. The word which have same sound. The word which have same sound are called rhyming words. Understood? What are rhyming words? The words which have same sound are rhyming words. So sun, S-U-N, sun. Bun, B-U-N, bun. Sun, bun, sun, bun. We have done this revision of all these words. Do you remember? Yes, that's why we are doing revision. So remember it. Sun, bun. Number 2 is pet. P-E-T, pet. What is pet? Dog and cat are pet of Rahul, no? So that pet, P-E-T, pet. So what is the rhyming words of pet? Let, L-E-T, let. Pet, let. Pet, let. Number 3 is ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Ball. What will be there? Ball. Ball. Rhyming word of ball. Yes, you all know this. Ball. Call. Very good. Ball. Call. Ball. Call. Number 4 is kit. K-I-T, kit. Kit. Rhyming words. Kit. Beat. Very good. Kit. Beat. Learn it. Kit. Beat. Kit. Beat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Rhyming word of dog. D-O-G. Dog. Log. Dog. Log. L-O-G. Log. Understood? Number 6. See, number 6 is find. F-I-N-D. Find. What is the meaning of find? Is yes, type. Find. Find means to find out. Yes, find Yes, what is the rhyming words of find? Kind. Yes, find, kind. See, they both are sound. They have same sound. Find, kind. What is the meaning of kind? Very good. Type. We have learned, no? Find, kind. Find, kind. Understood? See, we will revise this. Sun, bun. Sun, bun. Pet, let. Ball, call. Kit, bit. Dog, log. Find, kind. Understood now? Yes, you all are knowing the rhyming words also. So you are ready now to learn rhyming words? Yes, learn it very well. They have same sound. Rhyming words have same sound. Sun, bun. See, I am reading again. Sun, bun. Pet, let. Ball, call. Kit, bit. Dog, log. Find, kind. Okay, now see, rearrange the letters. Rearrange the letters. This we have done in the lesson. We have done, no? Very good. You all know the letters are given here. We have to arrange it. Okay? See here the letters. Number 1. See, number 1. E, B, U, L. E, B, U, L. You have to write the letter here, word here. What is this? E, B, U, L. Rearrange it. Very good. You all know it is B, L, U, E. Blue. B, L, U, E. Blue. E, B, U, L. See, E, B, U, L. You have to use all the letters and make a word. So you have to rearrange the letters. Okay? Now here. E, N, G, E, R. E, N, G, E, R. What is this? Can you tell me? Very good. It is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. You have to rearrange and form a word. G-R. See, double E-R given, no? So, double E-N. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. N-K-P-I. See, letters are given here. Rearrange it. N-K-P-I. What word will become? It is very good. P-I-N-K. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Very good. Number 4 is L-E-P-R-U-P. What will be this? Rearrange it. L-E-P-R-U-P. So it will be purple. Very good. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Number 5 is R-Y-E-G. R-Y-E-G. It is G-R-E-Y. G-R-E-Y. Gray. 5 number is G-R-E-Y. Gray. Understood, children? E-B-U-L. It is B-L-U-E. Blue. E-N-G-E-R. It is G-R-E-E-N. green. NKPI, PINK, pink. LEPRUP, it is PURPLE, purple. RYEG, it is GREY, grey. Okay students, now see here, rearrange the letters L, A, M, L, S. Which word become? Very good. SMALL, small. SMALL, small. GLON, which word become? Very good. LONG, long. LONG, long. See, I am showing you. LONG, long. The word will become long. Rearrange the letters. Now you have to arrange the letter. The letters are not in order. You have to arrange it and make a word. This you have no. LATL. LATL. Which word become? Very good. Tall. TALL, tall. TALL, tall. Number 4, SFTA. Which word is this? SFTA. Very good. FAST, fast. FAST, fast. Number 5, YCJUI. YCJUI, it is JUICY, juicy. Okay children. LAMLS, small. GLON, long. LATL, TALL, tall. SFTA, FAST, fast. YCJUI, JUICY, juicy. Now you all have done this, okay? Now see, I will ask you, what is the spelling of restaurant? You know? Very good. Most of them are answering. So restaurant. 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 Learn well. RESTAURANT. Restaurant. What is the spelling of beautiful? Very good. BEAUTIFUL. 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 Now tell me the spelling of underground. Underground. Yes? Spell underground. Very good, those who are answering. So, underground. See here. UNDERGROUND. Underground. UNDER, under. GROUND, ground. Underground. UNDER, under. GROUND, ground. Underground. Okay children? Now tell me the spelling of wags. 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 Yes, very good. Wags. 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 Okay children? Tell me the spelling of happy. Do you know the spelling of happy? Very good. HAPPY. 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 A double PY, happy. Yes, now you all know the words also. I asked you, most of them have answered. Okay, so do revision this way. Okay, you should know the spelling also of that answers. Understood, children? Yes. So be safe at home. Do revision properly. Write your homework with good handwriting. Okay, children? Thank you all.